Activity. Let's make a toy parachute. Materials: circular shaped plastic, thread or string, small toy, scissors, scale. Steps: 1. Spread the plastic on a plain surface and make 7-8 tiny cuts on the border of plastic at equal distances. 2. Cut 7-8 strings of equal length using scale and scissors. 3. Tie the strings through the cuts one by one. 4. Tie all the strings together at the bottom. 5. Now tie a toy at the bottom. 6. The parachute is ready. Direction: hold the parachute high up and let go. Watch it float down, down, down. Check how it floats with lightweight toy and heavyweight toy.